How to delete messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete messages on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to delete messages on Messenger, open the Messenger app, go to a certain person. If you have sent them a message and then you would like to unsend it so that other people have not seen it, so let me show you a demo message over here. I'll just send this, and all I have to do is to unsend it. I'll just long press on it here, tap the more option, and then just tap the remove option to unsend it. If you want to only remove for yourself, that's perfectly fine, but the other person will see that. So if you want to unsend it, you can just tap on unsend option. Now that message will get deleted, but if the other person sees the chat, they will know that you have deleted a message, but they won't know what the content was inside the message. Now if you want to delete a whole chat itself, long press on that chat and then tap on delete, but this is only deleting the conversation from your feed and not from the other person's feed. So this way you'll be able to go and actually delete messages on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.